Okay, so this tutorial is for the bracketing project, and for this what you're going to need to do is first find what you're going to take an image of. Once you've found what you're going to take an image of, and that should be outside, you're going to need a tripod. So make sure that you get a tripod from me. So you get your tripod and you're going to set your camera up on the tripod, set up the scene. Once you have your image framed, it looks good, it's interesting, has a good composition, you're going to use the auto setting and you're going to take a picture. When you take that picture, you need to write down what the setting is. That setting, for instance, could be f5.6 at 1/200th of a second, or it could be something completely different, but you need to write down what that setting was. Okay. Then you're going to change to manual mode. You're going to set your time to, in this case, 1/200th of a second. However, maybe yours was 1/2000th of a second. You're going to change it to whatever the time on your picture originally was. And then you're going to raise the f-stop. So if your f-stop was 5.6, you'll bump up to the next f-stop, which is probably f8. You're going to take a picture. Then you're going to keep the same time. So if your time was 1/200th, it stays at 1/200th. If it was 1/400th, it stays at 1/400th. And then you're going to bump the f-stop up again. And in this case, my example is f11, but this could be any number. You're just going to bump the number up. You're going to repeat that, so you're going to get 3 pictures. One is going to be the exposure of the auto. One is going to be the same time with one f-stop up, and then the third will be the same time with another f-stop up. You're going to repeat this with 2 scenes. Okay. So what you should get is you're going to have 3 images, and you're going to have one, which is, this was the auto exposure. This was 1 f-stop up, it got darker. This was 2 f-stops up, it got darker again. Okay. So same scene on a tripod so it doesn't shake, and you're going to have light, darker, darkest. So 3 exposures, changing the f-stop each time.